Okay, coming back to you with part 4 of my quick and easy enchilada meal. I have just finished frying up the enchilada shells. I have the sauce ready. I have the refried beans ready. And I am just going to be making the enchiladas right now. I have the Spanish rice and the ground beef, because there will be 2 different types of enchiladas. Again, there's going to be beef enchiladas as well as cheese only enchiladas. And so again, we don't want to cook our rice too long. We're just going to cook it maybe another minute and then cover it up and start making the enchiladas for you. I already have pans out again over here, getting them ready. We're gonna have 9 beef enchiladas there, and then about 5 cheese enchiladas. Correction, maybe I'll have enough room to make 10. And I have my cheese already grated up and ready to go. Okay, look for my other videos and I'll have a final picture for you soon. Thank you for watching. Talk to you soon. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.